my name is Kamille and I'm a recreation leader here in the city of Segundo. So today we're going to be doing a fun holiday craft and we're going to be making a winter tree. So for this craft we're going to need a few different things. We're going to need some construction paper. I chose blue because it's winter time and I want it to look like the sky, of course. Then we're going to need some cotton balls, some white paint, a Sharpie, something to put your paint in, and some straws. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is take your paper and you're going to want to draw the branches with your Sharpie. I'm going to make two different trees on the same sheet, so I'm just going to start drawing that out now. Okay, so now that we have our tree branches all drawn out, it should look something like this. And now we're going to take our paint and pour it into our little holder. And first thing I'm going to start off with is our cotton balls. So I'm just going to take one cotton ball and I'm going to dip it in the paint and I'm going to make it look like our tree has snow on it. So I'm just going to lightly pat my cotton ball all over my tree branches, and you don't need too much paint really. Okay, so once you have your tree shaped form, it should look something like this. And now we're gonna take our bendy straws for our second tree. I'm just gonna take some scissors and I'm gonna make a few little cuts on the bottom side of the bendy straw. So then you're just gonna wanna push it in because this is gonna make leaf shapes in our paint. Okay, so once you've cut your straw, it should look a little something like this. And now you're just gonna dip it right in the paint. Make sure you get it nice and coated. And then we're just gonna press that on our tree. Alright, so once you're done painting your second tree, it should look a little something like this, kind of like some abstract snow flurries or snowflakes. So with this card, you can give it to your friends, your parents, anyone really. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!